Astech is a foundry focused on steel and iron castings. We work with utility companies, different types of oil, gas, water, electrical, heavy machinery, transportation. If it's in the field, we probably make a part for it. 3D printing has significantly changed our production process. When a customer needs a part made, we'll create a CAD model. We then will 3D print a pattern. It could be anything from a small print to up to maybe a 4 foot by 4 foot by 4 foot print. From there, it will go to our pattern shop. They'll sand down the layer lines. They might fill it in with some auto body filler. Then they get a perfectly smooth pattern that is mounted into a flask. The flask is filled with sand and we pour the metal in that, break it out, and then we'll do our post-processing and finishing. We installed the Titan 3D printer in September of 2020. Since then, we've seen our production process change radically. From start to finish, we see quality, we see speed, and we see low cost on all aspects of our pattern making. In the past, we'd have to contact an outside pattern shop. Now with 3D printing, we're able to control the whole process, start to finish. If there's something we don't like after printing a pattern, we can adjust it and reprint it. We've had some 3D printed patterns that we've done thousands of impressions on, even tens of thousands. Upon inspecting that pattern and comparing it to a freshly printed pattern, there's no signs of wear or disintegration of the pattern itself. The customer can have an idea, we can model it up, print it, and give them a working prototype within a week or two. In the past, that would be maybe a 4 to 6 week turnaround time for a rapid prototype. The customer is happy, they get their part quicker, they pay less money, and they know it's going to be right.